Hi guys, welcome to IS with Santosh. Guys, in this video, I'm again going to give you two questions in the UPSC Prelims 2023. But before that, let me thank you for the massive response you are giving to the videos. That is really motivating me to give you more and more questions which are going to come in the UPSC Prelims so that you can easily clear the cutoff. Guys, you all know that in the UPSC prelims examination, environment is a very strategic segment, and if you perform well in environment, then your chances of qualifying the UPSC prelims will increase by a lot of potentials. So guys, in this video I'm going to give you two questions, one from species and then one from protected area. Guys, this year there is one species which is very important from the Western Ghats, and that species is Nilgiri tahar. UPSC has already asked similar questions in the past in the Civil Services 2012, and I am very sure that this year UPSC is going to ask a question on Nilgiri tahar. So guys, first let me tell you why this topic is important. Why should we prepare Nilgiri tahar deeply for the prelims 2023? Guys, there are two news items this year related to Nilgiri tahar. First is Tamil Nadu government sets up Nilgiri tahar conservation project. This is a very important news item, and this makes Nilgiri tahar one of the most important species for the prelims 2023. Guys, there was another news item in 2023, in January 2023, which says that in a first, Erraviculam National Park reports birth of Nilgiri tahar in December. In December. So guys, this Erraviculam National Park also becomes very important. So either they will directly ask about Nilgiri tahar, or they are going to connect with this national park of Erraviculam, National Park of Kerala, and they are going to frame this question. So guys, let us see what kind of questions can come. So what I have done is that I have already made two cards. one on Nilgiri tahar and one on Erraviculam National Parks. But before that, let us see what are the recent developments. So you can see here, Tamil Nadu government has launched an initiative for the conservation of Nilgiri tahar, the state animal of Tamil Nadu. This is very important. Nilgiri tahar is the state animal of Tamil Nadu. Guys, Nilgiri tahar is one of the only ungulate which is found in southern India. In India, there are 12 types of ungulates available, and Nilgiri tahar is one of the only which is found in southern India. You can see under the Nilgiri tahar project, the government plans for better understanding of Nilgiri tahar population through surveys and radio telemetry studies, reintroduction of tahar to the historical habitat, address proximate threats, increase public awareness about the species. Furthermore, October 7 will be celebrated as Nilgiri tahar day. This is very important. October 7 will be celebrated as Nilgiri tahar day in honor of ECR Davidar, who was one of the pioneer in studying this species. Further, you can see here they have said that there are a lot of challenges in the conservation of Nilgiri tahar. What are these challenges? You can see here. Highly fragmented population. So they can ask you what are the various threats to Nilgiri tahar. Highly fragmented population, invasion of exotic species into the habitat, forest fire, overexploitation of forest, and lack of ecological data and understanding. Guys, Nilgiri tahar is very important because there are references to Nilgiri tahar even in the Tamil Sangam text. 2000 years ago, the late Mesolithic paintings highlight the significance of tahar in the folklore, culture and life of people of South India. It was designated as a state animal in recognition to its ecological and cultural significance. So this is very important. The references to tahar are there even in the Sangam literature, and you guys, you know what is the importance of Sangam literature in the UPSC prelims examination. Every year definitely one question is going to come from the Sangam literature. So they can frame question like this, that the animal has references in Sangam literature. It is the only ungulate which is there in the southern India, and recently one of the state governments have declared one conservation project also. You can see here it is an endangered species and the sole caprinae species found in tropical mountain of the South India, which I told you it is a sole ungulate species. The animal inhabits the meadows of steep cliff. So they are found in steep cliff between 300 meter to 2600 meter above the sea level. It is estimated that there are 3122 Nilgiri tahar in the wild. Historically, Nilgiri tahar was known to inhabit large portion of Western Ghats, but now they are restricted to only some parts of Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Okay, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. So okay, it is becomes locally extinct in around 14% of traditional Shola forest grassland habitat. This Shola forest grassland habitat is also very important for the prelims. Okay, so questions on Shola grassland can also come in the UPSC prelims. Guys, now let me just show you the card which I have made. You can see this. Okay, YE News. Tamil Nadu government set up Nilgiri Tahar conservation project. Okay, Nilgiri Tahar is the only mountain ungulate in the southern India among the 12 species found in India. Okay, it is the only ungulate, mountain ungulate, which is found in southern India. It's very, very important. It is a state animal of Tamil Nadu. It is found in the entire stretch of Western Ghats, but now it is like found in a fragmented manner. And guys, this is listed as endangered in the IUCN list. It is listed as endangered in the IUCN list, and it is listed as Schedule 1 in the Wildlife Act. Schedule 1 in the Wildlife Act. You can see here, okay, Eravikulam National Park in the Annamalai Hills in Kerala is the home to the largest population of Nilgiri Tahar, Eravikulam National Park. And right now in two places, okay, region it is found. One is the Nilgiri Mountains and other is the Annamalai in Kerala. Nilgiri in Tamil Nadu and Annamalai in Kerala, it is found in large numbers. The main threat to it, this population is rampant deforestation, competition from domestic livestock, hydroelectric projects, habitat destruction, monoculture plantation are the major threats to Nilgiri Tahar. And you can see this Eravikulam National Park, which has the largest population of Nilgiri Tahar. It is situated in the Idukki district of Kerala. Idukki district of Kerala, very, very important. Highest peak, okay, of the south is called Anamudi. Okay, is located here. Anamudi is located here. Okay. Then guys, you can see here some important facts like Nilgiri Tahar. It has one of the largest population of Nilgiri Tahar. Nil Kurunji also flowers here, which is endemic to the Western Ghats. So a lot of important items which are important for prelims 2023 are happening in Eravikulam National Park. So you can get a question on Eravikulam National Park and the Nilgiri Tahar also. Guys, you can see here already UPSC has asked question on, okay, ungulates. You can see this 2012 paper. What is the difference between antelope, oxy and chiru? Okay, so related question UPSC is already asked. So there are high chances that UPSC will ask this question also on Nilgiri Tahar. So please prepare this Nilgiri Tahar thoroughly and please prepare this Eravikulam National Park also. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.